Damn, this ponytail got my shit snatched, okay? Hey guys, so in today's, actually wait, back that up. Hey guys, my name is Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. My birthday is actually tomorrow, but I'm gonna go out tonight, so I'm just gonna film like a birthday look for you guys. It's gonna be a birthday fit and a birthday makeup. I was gonna do hair, but I don't do my own hair. I had somebody do this for me, so if you want to see how I transform myself, then please keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It'll be greatly appreciated. And let's just jump right in. With this warm brown shade right here, I'm gonna put that in my crease area. Now I'm gonna go in with her like brown shade. Probably should show you guys. This shade right here. Oh, actually no, right here. I'm just gonna keep this right underneath where that I put that other shade at. It's gonna be like a little bit more tighter. I'm gonna take that same dark shade and I'm just gonna concentrate that a little bit more like on the outer corners of my eye. Leftover concealer I have on my hand that I use to do my brows, and I'm just going to cut the crease, sort of cut the crease. I suck at this, so. Set that before I do anything else because I don't want that to like go anywhere. So I'm gonna go in with this old ass Magnificent Metals Glitter and Gold liquid eyeshadow in rose gold, and I'm just gonna apply that on the lids. Use this like little applicator to apply this. Hopefully this stuff ain't dried out. But yeah, look at that. I wish it was more golden though. Going with this middle shade right here. That's more golder. So I'm taking these lashes, they're called, oh, shit, Splendor. I believe they're by like Kiss. I don't have the original packaging, so I have no idea, but majority of my lashes that I get are from Kiss. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going in with this Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I'm just going to spray it on a cotton ball and just get rid of like any like excess oil I might have like on my face before I apply my foundation. I'm gonna go in with the primer first, just to prime, because I don't want this makeup. I don't want my shit to slide the fuck off before I even get to the club, you know what I'm saying? So I want to take that and work that into my skin. On my face, I'm gonna go in with this True Complexions powder, and I'm just going to set the places of my face that I get oily. I haven't used this one in a while and I need to use it. I'm gonna do the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. Dirty ass Real Techniques Instapop face brush. If you guys follow Kiki Adams, she actually raves about this brush. So I found the last one in Target like a few weeks ago, and y'all, this brush is amazing. It's like really soft too. So I'm gonna do like 4 pumps because I want like major coverage, y'all. Even though this foundation is already like full coverage, I'm gonna spray my face with some of this witch hazel. I'm just going to tap that into my skin. I want to really apply this underneath my eyes because I feel like it gets cakey when you do that. I had seen somebody talk about how when you're applying your foundation, like try to keep it from underneath your actual eye because you know you're gonna have to apply apply concealer, and just all that foundation and concealer can cause you to be like super cakey underneath the eyes. And I use the Holy Grail, the Radiant Concealer in NARS. This is in the shade Caramel. And y'all, I want a like bright ass under eyes, so I'm gonna go in with this more thicker concealer in Tape Shape, and this is in the shade Tan Sand, and just gonna focus that right there in the inner corner of my eye. Back in with that brush that I used to put my foundation on, just to kind of make sure there's no harsh lines where my foundation and concealer meet. Go in with the True Complexions stuff, the setting powder on one brush, and then this I'm gonna just make sure I blend out so I don't set my concealer with creases. Fit Me powder. This is like in the shade 30 medium deep, and I'm gonna go back over. With the Color Perfect foundation stick in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm just gonna use this to contour. Brush that I contoured with, and tap some of the excess off, and it's going to be, ooh, that's like very harsh. At the bottom for a highlight, this is Glow Getter and 143, and this is from the Nicole Guerrio palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna spray my face first with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Go in and with this morphe palette, and the colors that I use on my eyes, I'm just gonna kind of smoke my lower lash line out a little bit. That brush that I use for foundation, concealer, I'm just gonna mute out, in with a darker brown shade. They're all kind of like sequenced in. My lip is crooked. This side is crooked, y'all. This is the look. I should probably contour my nose a little. I want to show you guys my outfit though. I'm just gonna contour with the contour palette that I use for my face. And this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think down below. I'm actually gonna show you guys my outfit that I'm gonna wear, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me. All right, y'all, so this is like a slight little fit for my birthday. I was gonna wear a dress, but here in Michigan, it's actually raining, so, and it's kind of cold, so I'm like, I wanna still be cute, but a little bit warm, so I just got these regular black Fashion Nova pants. They're skinny. And I got this top. This is a really cute top. It's from Tiger Mist. The back is out and it ties up. And then on the sleeves, it actually has the sleeves are kind of like open. I'm gonna pair it with this black belt. And far as accessories, I have some hoop earrings that I'm just gonna wear, you know, something. Right, y'all. So this is the look. Hopefully you guys can see, because my lighting, I feel like it's kind of awful when I back up. But I got this crop top from Tiger Mist, and the shoulders are kind of like out, the back is out. Back just regular Fashion Nova pants on. And I paired it with this belt that I got from Target because I actually needed a belt. And then I have these like pointed like Mary Poppins heels on. And the purse that I'm carrying, it looks kind of crazy because it's been like stowed away. But just this clear black bag. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video.